Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Manasa.
My name is Niranjana.
We are studying in 7th standard.
We are going to explain about volcano.
What is volcano?
Volcano is an opening in the Earth's surface where lava, ash, and gas can escape.
How it did?
We built a model volcano and created an eruption. Everyday safe ingredients. Inside the volcano, we mixed vinegar, baking soda, and a little dish soap.
How it will work?
The eruption happens because of the chemical reaction. Baking soda plus vinegar is equal to carbon dioxide gas.
Will do and show.
First put some shampoo. Put some shampoo. Put some vino. Food color. Baking soda. Vinegar.
Thank you.